Alright, man, what's up, y'all? It's 2020 time. Update. Come at you with a little Cheetos update. Just thinking to myself, you know how crazy this world's been all year long, right? So I just thought I'd bring it back to y'all. Give it up for the birds out here. So, you know, this on the road update brought to you by Cheetos. Crunchy, only kind. Huh? Except we need them hot Cheetos, mama. Well, the birds ate almost all the Cheetos, huh? What's up, girl? Yeah? Okay. This update. Huh. Alright, 2020, y'all. Let's see hopefully how much more crazy it can't get, alright? Not this year. 2021. Say bye, girl. Say bye. Say bye.